Well, good morning there folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'd share with you a quick video, and what we're going to be making today is Bramble Brandy. Nice simple little project, and brambles we can generally find in an abundance in hedgerows and things like that. The season's starting to come to an end, but you may still find some, or like me, you may have already harvested some and froze them for a later date. So all we need today is brambles, certainly some sugar and a bottle of brandy. I've just bought this Napoleon brandy from Aldi. It cost me about £12, and I use generally for this about 500 to 600 grams of brambles and about 250 grams of sugar. I find that works well for my liking. So we'll simply just get the brambles. These have already thawed out. We'll get them in this container. We'll see if we can do this without getting them all over. We don't want to lose any. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. We'll just get these in. And I find 1.5 to 2 of these takeaway containers to be perfect for this little project. Get these other ones in. All the juice coming out of those already. They don't have to be frozen, but I find if you freeze them, it releases some of the juice. Same works for sloes when people make sloe gin. If you just freeze them, it splits the skins and releases more juice, so you get a more tasty sloe gin as well. Then we'll just add the sugar. And as I mentioned, 250 grams of sugar works well for this. Get the sugar in there. What we'll do, we'll combine the two. Just give that a bit of a shake. And then we simply just crack open the brandy and get that in. I mean, for yourself, just do what your preference is. It can be as expensive as you want, or it can be as budgetly friendly like this one. It also works really well with rum. We make this every year with rum as well, but today we're just going to do brandy. And I do want to try it with whiskey, because I haven't done that yet. And what we do is just give this a really good shake. Just give it a good shake. And then all we do with that now is we just sit that to one side, somewhere out the way, somewhere pretty cool, and we'll shake that a couple times a day for the first 2 weeks. After that, we shake it once a week for a couple of months, and round about Christmas time, what we're at now, we're the 13th of September. Round about Christmas time, this will be ready for decanting into a bottle, and then drink at will. It's absolutely delicious. We tend to make this for camping trips, and it's absolutely amazing. Over the winter, sat around a campfire with a little drop of this just to keep you warm. Absolutely perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Just a nice quick one. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new around here, please check out our other content and subscribe. Leave us a comment, let you know what you think, any ideas that you use with brambles yourself. We look forward to hearing from you. So we're going to leave it here and say bye for now. Stay safe, and we may see you on the next one.